Hi all.
Hi all, hello.
How are you guys?
It is a new year, sir.
Hope all is well. All is well. All is well.
Happy New Year.
Happy, healthy,
Year.
wealthy, and a prosperous New Year to all my dear friends, viewers, and all my well-wishers. Every single homeopath. This year, this decade, it's the beginning of a decade now,
Absolutely.
and this decade belongs to,
Homeopathy.
है ना? So I would wish you all health, peace, happiness.
Absolutely.
Huh?
Have a fantabulous year ahead. We have got a lot of work to do because
Yes.
our horizons are expanding and we need to expand our knowledge and we need to upgrade ourselves to be in tandem at par
Yes.
with how the diseases are coming in and how we should be
Absolutely.
at that level.
Yes. I see. Basically, friends, see, a homeopath by nature should be innovative. Okay?
Absolutely.
We should not be slaves. We should be leaders. Lead yourself. Lead your practice. Hold it like this. Yes, I will do it.
And never follow. This is an art and
Yes.
you are the artist.
Yes.
If you have good meme knowledge, then you know what is an art and who is the artist.
So, lovely.
Homeopathy is yours and homeopathy is your art and you are the artist.
Yes. It's a big white,
Canvas.
canvas. We are just providing you colors. Paint it.
Paint it.
Paint it accordingly. है ना? So this is what the main motto of this video is.
Yeah.
First of all, again wish you all a best year. Best times are yet to come.
Yet to come.
We are learning and will grow together.
Yeah.
Right?
Homeopathy is reaching its peak and we will be on the peak.
Yes.
We want everybody of you to come together on the peak.
Just open your arms like this and take it. Just take it. And after taking, just don't forget to
Spread it.
share it.
Share it.
है ना?
You need to share. Homeopaths need to share. We have to give it to the other person. Pass it on, boys. It is a wonderful science.
The more you will pass it on, the more you will get.
The more you will grow.
This is the karma. This is nature.
Love homeopathy and homeopathy will love you back.
Yeah, passion. See, we are on a vacation here.
Yeah.
My range was not that great, so I couldn't wish you all a very happy new year on that 1st of January. We are on a vacation here. It's a lovely place, so we thought of making a wonderful video here.
In the mango groves,
Yeah,
in the
chicos
nature, in chicos. Oh, wow.
and
That is
cashew,
nice.
kaju. Okay,
Cashews.
cashew.
Oh, it's
Oh.
an English video, man.
Oh, so it's a cashew. Okay.
Yeah.
So today we'll learn a beautiful remedy once again, and no, not once again. It's a beautiful remedy, and the remedy is
Silicia.
silica.
Silica.
It's a beautiful remedy. I tell you, it's a beautiful remedy. We need to understand silica. So as usual, see, I always connect the physicals, the mentals, and then the vital force. Mind, body, and soul axis. You should never forget this. So let us start with physicals. When silica when we understand silica, what comes in front of you first? Delayed milestones, bones,
Assimilation and nutrition.
then caries, necrosis of bones, spinal problems, spine weak, very tender, softness of bones.
Suppurations. Whenever there is a suppuration, people will first give silica, then hipar, and then they are done.
And they have a very great differentiation. Hiparsul is this, both are chili. We'll come later on with hiparsul someday, but this time silica. We need to understand what is chilliness. What is that chilly about silica? I'll come to that point. What is that chilly? The most we know, we have read in the Materia Medica, silica is the most chilly person in the whole entire Materia Medica.
Even the stove doesn't warm him up.
What is that? Have we ever imagined? Let us try to evolve this physical, mental, and vital force axis. Right? So, silica. I have this Yogesh Rajurkar with me, my
Chatti
yes, my room partner.
Yeah.
in college days.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah. So we have grown together, you know, and we have evolved so many things in life. I would like to tell you one thing, my dear friends. Make friends, make great companions, and then learn together.
Yes,
Share your cases,
you know-
share your rubrics with your friends first. Those who are practicing GPs,
Yes.
Yogesh,
Yeah.
it's okay. Share your cases to them. It's okay. Come on.
Don't feel guilty about it.
Arey,
It's okay.
be proud.
Be proud. And having friends with a common liking such as homeopathy is a blessing. It's a
Yes.
blessing. Nothing like it, man.
So I would suggest you rather be with your friends. Spend some time with your friends. It's really very, very, very interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
So Silica, see, Yogesh is a very good orator as well as an actor. So I would like to tell him one beautiful aspect of Silesia which you will get in your clinics
Day
almost
Day out.
at least a week, one case of Silica.
Absolutely. Because when I came to HHF, I was, of course, my silica was up to suppurations and pus formations and to drain out the pus and to make the pus disappear and all this in low potency and all these things.
It works.
Even-
It
yeah,
works, huh? It
works.
works. We don't claim that no, it's only for no, it's not like that. It works beautifully, but only for we should prescribe Silica only for this abscesses. Isn't it?
That is not done, boss. Silica is such a wonderful remedy with so many implications that you never know what silica can do, right from coma, cancer to even the minutest of coryza.
Absolutely right.
So please don't limit silica to only those things. So what happened that Rao sir, our master, our great master, he is who gave me that insight how I could reach what he was
Perceived.
good at. What he was good at, you know. If you just look at the seed, you should be able to imagine the tree, the fruit, and the every other
Essence
food
of that
species.
plant.
Whole plant he could think of just by looking at the seed. Now, the seed of silica, what he had taught us was,
Focus.
the patient came in front of him and he was like, sir, actually, sir, I've got a
Bol.
problem. I've got a problem, and this is. And sir was listening like this. He only described his complaints. And sir said, okay, give him silica. Sir, at least ask a question. Take a case. Hello, how do we understand this is silica? From where did you come at silica? Then Rao sir said, you have got to be an observer. You have got to be an
Observation.
observer. Have you observed how he narrated his complaint? Have you seen his eyesight? Have you observed his eyes? No, sir, I was listening to his words. He said words are of
He said, no, I'll interrupt. He said, I was listening. No, you are not listening. You are hearing.
hearing. Oh my God. See, that is how you understand. So he said, look at the way he is narrating it. How confident. Just before that, a boy of 10-year-old age had come, and he was so bold. He said, sir, I have this. And mummy was telling me, no, mummy, this is not the case. I'll tell you. That boy was such a bold boy. And the next patient came was a 24-year-old person, and he was so hesitant. To speak out. Just, of course, if it would have been a private part problem or something very confidential you were
Yes.
talking, then it is accepted.
It is really accepted.
But he was just speaking of some skin complaint. Maybe I suppose that was, I don't remember the skin complaint.
Maybe a whatever.
psoriasis or
Keloid,
some
it may
sort
be a
of-
keloid also.
Oh. Physical chot. So he was just describing his normal skin complaints. And look at my eyes. He was, Nani, this is my identity.
Okay.
He was, sir,
Okay, I'll do the interview. I am a doctor and he's a patient. Okay.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Uh, Dr. Yogesh. Sir.
Okay. Yeah. Tell me how can I help you?
So basically, sir, the problem, sir, is I am having this since last 3. Can you?
This is very important. The expressions are very important. Understand? See the expressions again. I would like to ask him to, enact again, once again. Tell me what's the problem?
Sir, means I've got psoriatic patches on
The case should be over.
that. I said, sir, come on, homeopathy cannot be that simple. Come on, it cannot be that simple. Please.
It is.
It is that simple. Sir said, you give silica and then let me know. He was given silica and within a week he said, sir, I've got nice improvement, 60-70% improvement. I said, come on, how can it be that simple? Then I tried to understand what these things happened. So next case I got was of a 12-13-year-old girl who was in front of me. She was having asthmatic problem and she came and sat in front of me. Usually mothers of such daughters, silica daughters, mothers are, sir, she is having problems, sir, she is vomiting, sir, she is having breathlessness, she had some ice cream, sir, she was doing this, that.
Bas.
So she was totally there with a handkerchief in her hand and she was like this, and I was completely looking at her that way. And she was completely, and I said to mummy, okay madam, you have told the complaints? I said, beta, yes, tell me. Beta was, hello, say something, you have got any problem? I've got cough. Okay, cough. And
This is not my style. This is. I was just having a such.
and I'm breathless, and I was done with the remedy.
So what is the rubric?
So the rubric here is, the moment I looked at her, she was so conscious. I won't take the rubric word. She was so conscious. Oh my God, he is looking at me. How and where do I go? That was her condition when I was looking at her.
Eyes, very important.
And her eyes were, the one moment she would look at me, one moment she would be down, next moment she would be there, then here, then again to me. That anxiety you could see into her. The rubric is anxiety about himself.
Note the rubric. It is really important. I'll further, elaborate this rubric.
You would say, sir, isn't that timidity appearing in public? Exactly.
Yes.
This is the timidity appearing in public. You have got around 30 or 35 remedies there, but this anxiety about himself is very, very signature of silica. You have got only 2 remedies there, silica and natrum carb. Natrum carb, we would come to that remedy.
That
We
is.
have got a nice person here to explain.
Natram Kara, I
natrum
will
carb
tell you sometime else.
Yeah.
Sometime. Okay.
later.
Later.
But this silica's anxiety about himself, master told me this is anxiety about himself. Look at the way she is speaking. This is come what may. Remedies silica. Gave her silica. Asthma was fantastic.
Anxiety about himself. Hence perspiration.
Yeah.
Physical connection.
Absolutely.
Performance. Anxiety about himself. Exam funk. Exilicha.
Absolutely.
Very, very. कौन रे? Very, very, very intelligent, hard-working person.
Correct.
But still at the end, till the end, till I'm just appearing on this.
What will happen? What will happen? What will happen?
What if a question which I'm not aware of will come? Then what will happen?
That anxiety.
The sweating starts. Once you start holding the paper,
The pen will slip.
anxiety about himself.
Absolutely.
Got it? This is how we understand. Silica, Yogesh, just what he said, there was a case where the mother was telling, she's suffering from cough, the cough is yellow, and she was like, I'll tell you, this is a tip of Silica. Silica will never come to the clinic
alone.
alone.
Even I had an elderly person of 45 years old, but still he had brought his wife.
I would again tell you one thing. Most of the times, I had come across a case where a person, 33 years old, married man, came along with his mother.
Hey. He
So
himself was
I asked his IPR and everything, this family status. What is your family status? He said, me, my wife, my son, and my mother. I was really wondering, most of the times what happens is the wife accompanies with the
absolutely
husband, isn't it? So
correct.
here, mother was with him. See now the chemistry. See the chemistry. A 33-year-old man, married man, is
Gentleman.
coming with his mother. What does it, indicates is, you know what? He's very much comfortable with his mom.
Wow.
Why? Because mother is the one who he feels very much secured with, just like Kelkirekar. I'll differentiate later on Kelkirekar. The overprotected child.
You have got only 3 remedies there. Ailments from excessive protection, parental protection.
Wrote it down. Huh?
Right. Ailments from protection, parental, excessive. You have got only 3 remedies: Baraita-carb, Kelkirekar, and Silica.
Nowadays, this rubric would be very common because nowadays the era is of one child, mummy, daddy, and one child. The child is always very much precious. No doubt, all kids
Children
are very precious, but they feel, no, mera akela, he's the only child, so I need to protect him.
My prince.
Okay, so this rubric is very important. Note it down. This mom, if at all, I won't claim it, but ma'am, dears, whenever a person at the age of 33 years old comes with accompanies with his mom, but please ask whether where is your wife? Is she pregnant? 8-month pregnancy is going on. Then no, then otherwise don't just blindly. That is what I told you in the beginning. Don't blindly follow us. Follow the remedy first and then understand what we want to tell you about. A 33 years old needs a woman to mom to come accompany with.
And if you ask, why did you come? So the mom will say, no sir, he won't tell it completely.
Exactly.
He won't tell it perfectly. You would be hesitant.
Rather,
he would be shy. He won't say it completely.
I know that he never speaks up. He never speaks up. Okay, this is one tip. Yogesh, I would like to add one fear of strangers. What he's just enacted, anxiety about his children. I tell you one more thing.
Anxiety himself.
I'm sorry. Say, anxiety children about his. Anxiety himself about. Sorry. So this anxiety himself and is accompanied with fear of strangers only. Note it down. If at all he is in an unknown environment, only then this anxiety starts. Otherwise, he is absolutely fine.
The moment he becomes familiar with you, then seldom you would get this.
So, what I wanted to tell you is, once you have a Silica patient for the first time, only then this.
The Adam's apple moves up and down.
This Adam's, the word is just revolving on the tongue. It is not coming out. What is your name? I'm asking you, what is your name? Huh? I'm not asking a Pythagoras theorem. That is also very simple. I'm not asking anything big. I'm asking. See, the words are just, the half word comes out and the remaining sentence, he just gulps it down. What is that? This is the constipation of Cilicia.
Shy stools.
The stools comes out and recedes
back.
back.
Oh
The
my
words
God.
comes out and just go inside. Just pick it up. Just speak it up.
Speak the shit
Holding
out.
on things is constipation, and this is how Silisha does it.
Great. Great.
And this is, I would like to tell you these things because this is very important. Don't just blindly give Silisha to patients suffering from constipation. No, if a patient is Naxopika and very defiant, very open, very courageous, very extroverted,
Very clarity of mind.
Very
this is
clear.
to be told and this is to be told in this way, that this date and this happened, that happened.
exactly.
That is Naxwamika. Tap, tap, tap.
So this constipation of Naxomika is different. Constipation of Silica is different. Holding on things, Silica. Irresolution.
Irresolution.
What is this? Have you ever imagined? This is I'm just giving out all the tips of Silica. A person, who cannot select his own life partner.
Uh-oh.
In an arrangement, I've seen people. Hey, Yogesh, please, yaar, you come. I am going to,
See
see
a
a
girl.
everyone is forcing me, so anxiety himself about started. You also tell me, how do you feel?
How do you feel?
Arey, he's not going to marry. I'm going to marry. And you are asking him. Then he's asking. He's sitting in the corner of the table here with the girl in front, and exactly other table, his friend is sitting here. And he's asking.
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
Then he said, go ahead. Then Silica passes to Zha. What is this, man? This is not done. Now, this is Silica. Here we have to prescribe that remedy, wherein the mind, body, and soul axis will be in alignment, and the patient will be fine.
You know, timidity. Timidity, if you would say, many students would say, sir, timidity is feeling shy, feeling embarrassed. No, feeling embarrassed or feeling shy is a different shade of that same thing. But here, the shade or the meaning of timidity is hesitation. Hesitation to speak out, hesitation to take decisions, hesitations to
I
pass
gotcha.
rules.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So this hesitation can be seen even from the physical to the mental to even taking decisions in your life.
Exactly. And, why you want your mom? I was 7th, 8th standard student in my school, and I used to say, Mama, bye. See, I was not allowing my mom to come inside the premises of my school because I was a very good and a very disciplined child,
Yeah.
So I didn't want my mom to know what type of...
How much disciplined and how good he is.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So, chal, bye. Acha. Bas, thank you. That far and no further. And here, Mama,
Mummy, come.
sit
in the classroom. Sit here.
Till I go into the classroom, you sit here. What is this, ma'am? I tell you, the Silica, the most chilly patient. What is this Silica? Chilly. Means what? He wears one clothes after the other. He wants that warmth, that clothes.
Sweaters,
Okay, sweater.
shawls,
Why?
and
We have a rubric, held.
desire.
Desire to be held. Means what? This held. This chilliness is all about the clothes. What is clothes? Which cover him. I am here. This mother is the cloth of Silica. That warmth Silica needs.
Held comes out of hold. You know, I have got a hold in this area. You know, this area I have got a hold. That is, you have a hold on me.
Exactly.
So he wants to be held. Means my problems, my things, everything should be held by someone. So held, desire to be held.
Got it. Bones. Silica is a remedy for bones. Necrosis, softening, frontanals open, milestones delayed. What is bone? Bone is strength.
Structure,
Bone is
base.
decisiveness.
Yeah. You take a stand.
You can take a stand. The spine is very weak, fragile, it's painful. Na? Silica, backache. Why? Support. Confidence he wants that strong support. From whom? To the one he is fully dependent on. Hence, dependent on others. To take decisions. But at the same time, he takes decisions from n number of people and then concludes with one single decision. He follows his own instinct, but he wants n number of advices.